Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to find your TD bank account number, and the process is actually very simple. First step, if you have a blank check of your TD bank account, what you need to know is there are some numbers at the bottom, and as you can see that where it is pointed, the last digits, that is your account number. But if you don't have a check, you can head over to online, and if it's a TD Ameritrade account, you need to head over to your account. Then you need to click on my profile and click on personal information, and from there your bank account number should come up. But if it's a normal type of account, then what you need to do is click on my accounts and head over to statements and documents. From there you'll see that you'll have like different accounts. If you do, you just click on one, and from there you'll get your account number. And another method would be clicking on profile and settings and clicking on account details, and your account